going on, YouTube? Welcome back to today's video. Part 2. We're at Cracklewood Golf Course here in Macomb. And yeah, we're just gonna play another 9, finishing up our league for the month of June. June, right?
Yep.
And it's gonna be a great way to stay in shape. Let's go.
Light it. That's so good. Perfect. Yard par 3, so that's just ideal, I believe. Oh, what am I doing? Good contact though. I pulled that tree.
Fart knocker, dude.
Huh?
All right, much better start to this round. I bogeyed. What'd you do?
Par.
Nice. Feeling good, feeling good.
Yeah.
All right, mulligan time. I quit. You know, I did that on purpose for sure. Smoothest roads in Michigan, I tell you what. Oh my gosh, why do I try? Nice. Are you serious? Yeah. Shout out to that tree, just like I drew it up. Oh, this is abysmal, man. I can't believe I landed here. Are you guys ready for the sickest golf shot of all time?
If you make this, I'll buy you Chipotle.
Make it in the hole?
Yeah.
Okay, beautiful. Even better motivation.
Get up.
Yeah.
Shoot.
Dude, you know what that's like? It's like when you have a bad stomach ache and you're trying to let a good fart go and it's just a little.
Oh my God, bro.
That's a great example.
That's pretty much what that was like.
There it is. Exactly what you said.
Oh, nice little bounce there. Bounce, skipping a step, if you will. Oh, Chico.
That's a real soldier right there.
Oh, that's gotta sit. Get up.
Huh?
Get up there. Get in there. Go. Yes, sir.
I was like, no way it's gonna stop right there like that.
Oh no. I found my ball.
A little ways in, but
My other one, if I hit it next to the pin.
Get up. Get up.
Oh, beautiful pace.
Get in. Get in. Get in. Let's go.
What is that, birdie?
push.
Yo, we got some dope houses behind us here too. Man, I just want to live on a golf course now. Maybe I'll be good. No, dude. Yeah. Go in. OIO, HIO.
Right next to me.
Oh. Oh no. Delete the footage. Delete the footage. Oh, perfect. Way better.
That felt right.
It sounded right.
For the flag, but that's gonna be really good.
Oh. Sounded like really cocky there.
I didn't see anything. I don't know.
I hate it all. I'm gonna quit.
Just barrels into it.
Yeah, no, I found it.
I found it. It's under the cart.
I'm so bad.
Wow, it breaks left.
Pretty good.
Not bad though. Why didn't you pull the pin sooner?
Would've gone in it.
It would have went in if the pin was out. And the round is officially over. I shot a 54. Did not play good. What'd you shoot?
43, baby. Woo!
Tommy shot a 43. Jordan shot a 39. Overall, 2 good rounds of golf.
Shot.
38. I apologize. Overall, good 2 rounds of golf.